Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna guide you through how to turn off sound on Heyday. So if you want to turn off the sound on your Heyday game, then the process is quite easy. Follow the steps till the end. First, open your Heyday application on your device and make sure that you're inside this main homepage. After you are here, tap on the menu bar at the top left hand corner. In the pop-up, tap on Settings. From the Settings menu, you'll be able to see a sounds option. Simply tap on it to turn it off or on according to your preference. If you are willing to turn it off, then make sure that right under sound you have selected off. After you are done with it, you can get back to the game and play your Heyday game without sound. That is how it can be easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll be back again with another video soon. Goodbye till then.